I'm doing intermittent fasting, and if you click this video, maybe you're interested in doing it too. But what is intermittent fasting in the first place? Well, let's go deep. Hey everybody, I'm James, the Fasting Dad. If this is your second or third time you've seen me and not already subscribed, that's the universe telling you to go ahead and click subscribe. First things first, why do you want to try fasting? I'm doing this for my kids. I want to lose weight and get healthy for them. I've been doing my fast for about 3 full weeks and I've lost over 10 pounds with little to no behavior or diet modifications. I've only recently shifted my diet, specifically what I eat, to align with expert advice. This also marks the first week that I've begun exercising and I feel great. I'll report back next week as to my weight loss results. So, what is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is an umbrella term for various meal timing schedules that cycle between voluntary fasting and non-fasting over a given period, according to Wikipedia. Methods of intermittent fasting include alternate day fasting, periodic fasting, and daily time-restricted feeding. The main goal of these is to reduce one's BMI and get healthier. History. For this, we're going to have to go way back into the past. Fasting is an ancient tradition, having been practiced by many cultures and religions over centuries. Therapeutic intermittent fasts for a treatment of obesity were investigated since at least 1915, with renewed interest in the medical community in the 1960s. Types. 3 methods of intermittent fasting are alternate day fasting, periodic fasting, and the time-restricted feeding. Alternate day fasting, or ADF, involves alternating between a 24-hour fast day with a 24-hour feed day, or feast day, some call it. Periodic fasting, or whole day fasting, involves any period of consecutive fasting for more than 24 hours. The time-restricted feeding involves eating only during a certain number of hours each day. That's what I do. I eat between 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. every day. Hope you got something out of this video. If you did and you're still watching, let me know by saying "still watching" down in the comments. As always, if you'd like to know more, you can watch this video right here. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you tomorrow.